Hey everybody, I'm Julia. I'm a public health nurse with Madison and Dane County's Public Health Department. We're here today as we're seeing infectious variants of coronavirus globally and expect to see more in the future. We're here today to talk about ways to protect ourselves, our families, and our community. So we know that there's a whole range of masks and respirators out there that people can use and have been using for a couple of years now. We now know that one of the better and more effective ways to protect ourselves, prevent transmission of coronavirus, is to wear a KN95 mask. So a KN95 mask looks like this. It's what I'm wearing right now. It's got two elastics that fit over the ears. You've heard a lot about N95 masks. They have straps that fit all the way over the head, and those are what are used by healthcare providers and staff. But these are more readily available for the general public. They provide protection from 95% of high-risk particles. They're made of multiple layers of high-tech fabric that filter out those particles. So we are recommending that people wear KN95 masks now. One thing is that we really know that everybody's head is different, everybody's face shape is different. So when you're purchasing one of these masks or trying these masks, you might need to try different models. They come in several different, styles, and they come in different colors even. One of the things you're going to see is that many of them have a nose piece that's a metal band that does help to conform things a little bit more tightly around your face. The goal is to create a seal around your face. So when you put one of these on, you're going to wash your hands first. You're going to put it on, putting the loops over your ears, conforming the nose piece if it has this metal bar, and again, most of them do, as tightly as you can, as closely as you can, as snugly as you can to your nose. So starting at the very tip top, the bridge of your nose, you're going to conform it tightly to your face. Don't push both sides, because then you end up with a tent at the top, an air pocket, and that defeats the purpose, which is to create a tight seal around your face. KN95 masks are great because they have a little bit more airspace. Nice for breathing. If you're a person who wears glasses, this actually is helpful too. So now you've got it conformed to your face, you've got it around your ears, conformed to your nose. You're gonna put your hands around, and if you're breathing out and in deeply, you shouldn't feel air escaping around the edges of the mask. And if you put your hands in front of your face, you should feel some warmth, because that's the air, the heat that you're creating as you're breathing. But again, the goal is to have a tight fit around your face, no air escaping or leaking, and warmth, and feeling that, kind of that you are breathing. The mask may even inhale and exhale a little bit with you because the seal is just that tight. All right, folks, be safe out there. KN95 mask, or mask up in general. Thank you.